Hey everybody, hope y'all are having a great day. Listen, I'm not going to be long. I'm not going to belabor the time. I just want to let you know that you have permission. You have permission to be all that you want to be. You're worthy enough of it. You don't need to fight to be it. You are it, okay? You are fearfully and do not allow anyone to talk you out of what you already know you're capable of. You're more than capable, more than able, and you're more than worthy to do it. When I first started credit repair business, 2016, I talked myself out of it. Talked myself out of the whole sticking the plan and saying what they say and all of those things because I just felt as though it wasn't me. That's not me. That's not what I do. So 2018 or 2017 comes around now and I'm with this new business and I have the potential to make money, residual income, and not only refer people to help get their credit services, but to not only do that, but to get an instant pay raise with me, changing from W-2 to being a W-4 earner and having a home-based business and working those things. I almost talked myself out of it. I almost talked myself out of Young Money Muggles. This was a product of that. This was a product of me working on my finances. I have some exciting news to show you guys in the next few weeks because I expressed how I got the business credit card for our business and we did certain business hacks to get that. But for me, 4-car repossession, for me, apartment foreclosed, landlord evictions, for me, credit at a 398 2 years ago, to now being able to be qualified for credit cards. Am I going to get them? No, I don't need them. I got one only because we got in an accident and I need emergency funds on the side because I have dreams for my other money. I don't want to keep dipping into the emergency fund when there's an emergency. So the credit card will help with rental car, things of that sort. That's wisdom. You talk to other people above you and you get wisdom, okay? Credit cards for that type of emergencies only. When you need vacation, when you need a rental car, things of that sort. All right, but I would not be able to get there if I didn't believe in myself. If I didn't take the necessary tools to try again. The first credit business wasn't good. The first thing it wasn't art. It was a whole scandal, and that's what made everything fall apart. So now to be a part of something so genuine, the CEO believes in God. He is a man of God. And he's helping others and teaching others on how to get out of debt, how to live financially free, not only with credit, but with tax repairs, with experts in home land banking and understanding private reserve accounts and setting yourself up for retirement. There's so much more. And if I would have counseled myself out and said that I wasn't worthy enough for it, where would Young Money Muggles be? You can do it. You're worthy of it. You're worthy to sit in it. You're worthy to rule in it. You're worthy to dwell and to manifest everything. You hear that? You hear the little guy yelling and screaming? I didn't know that I was worthy enough to be a father. I didn't know that I was strong enough to handle a family. And I sabotaged it in the beginning because I just didn't know that I was ready. I didn't know that I was worthy. I didn't know that I was capable. And I self-sabotaged and counted myself out. How often do we do that? I can be transparent about it now because whom the sun sets free is free indeed. Let's love ourselves. Let's love ourselves enough to say that we are worthy. Let's love ourselves to say, you know, I don't have it right now, but I'm enough. Flaws and all, you're worthy. And no, you're not worthy on your own accord. Like I said, I'm a preacher boy, so I'm going to go there. You're worthy through Jesus Christ. You're worthy through him. He has made you worthy again. Those dead bones are yet alive again. These dead bones are yet alive again. We were divorced. I gave up. Didn't see myself worthy of anything. Didn't see myself worthy of owning a business. I was a general manager for a company, and I ran a whole $1.3 million company, and I was 18, 19, 20. But somehow I lost that worth. I lost that sight of who I really was. I allowed so much in my environment to get to me, to distort, to taint. It matters who your community is. You have to have a true community. True community. Okay? I could talk your heads off all day, but you matter, and I want you to know that. You matter. Take that in. Breathe it in. Let all that out. Breathe it in again. And let it out. You're needed in this world. And the longer you continue to tell yourself that you aren't, the longer that you continue to talk yourself out of it, the longer that you continue to say, this isn't for me, this can't be for me right now, the more tormented you're going to feel, the more anxiety you're going to feel, the more unease you're going to feel. We feel unease because we aren't doing what we're supposed to be doing right now. But yet we keep telling ourselves to slow down and it's not time. A double-minded person is unstable in all their ways, and if they ask anything from the Lord, they will not receive it. If I'm wrong, tell me. We have to make up the decision of what we really want and who we really going to be, and what we're going to truly stand for. It may not seem easy, but this is what walking on water feels like when you're putting your complete trust, your complete gratitude, your complete reliance on a higher power. And you're trusting that they will see you through, that you're trusting that they will guide you. You're trusting that they will put the necessary people in your path to help you get where you need to go. You're trusting that you will trust the process that you're in so that you don't rush it. There's plant, seed time, and harvest. There's seed time, there's harvest, there's planting. You plant it. It takes time for that seed to grab, to get root, to get deep, to get cultivated. And then it takes time for the strength to even push out and emerge. Maybe you're trying to emerge right now. Maybe you're pushing through the dirt. You're pushing through the nastiness, and you're pushing through all of the things that you've had to grow in so that you can now be in sunshine. Be that business person. Everyone, why are you talking? Everyone talked people out of working from home, and now we are all at a 50% lockdown and about to go back into another wave of being shut down. Yeah, I said it. Y'all can say we aren't. Whatever you want to believe, that's fine by you. But I see it happening. I see the patterns. I've talked about this with money, and it's the same thing with everything. There's a pattern. What are you going to do? Are you going to continue to say you don't have a business? Or are you going to get plugged into people who are doing it? Are you going to say yes and start that business? Are you going to say yes and join that company? Are you going to say yes and join that marketing lead or whatever you want to do? There's so many things out there. Avon, I do the credit report. We do MWR Financial. I'm about to get into Laura Life, Drink the Shrink, where we're helping people with weight loss and we're helping people lose pounds with drinking healthy, organic things. There's so many things out there. But yet we always box ourselves. Well, Young Money Muggles, all things business, finance, and lifestyle. You guys, if you haven't subscribed to the podcast, go ahead and subscribe there. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page, this will be on there as well. Go ahead and subscribe. If you listened this long, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for hanging on. Go ahead and text YMM to 74121. That way you can get added on and connected to our text group. You'll get deals, discounts, and plugs. We're about to do some things with Amazon, and I am excited, you guys. Hey, Amber. Thanks for hopping on. I'm about to head out now. I'm sorry. Y'all can catch the replay. I don't want to keep talking the heads off, and I feel where the cut has been. All right. I don't want to keep just going. But, yeah, go ahead, John Wanna, EA. Come help me with a nice little... cover page, because I'm definitely gonna need it. All right, y'all have a great Friday. It's Friday. Enjoy yourselves. My birthday is next Friday. I'm going to New York. It was supposed to have been just for vacation, but now it's freaking business. It's funny. Tune into the Tight Knit Radio Show tomorrow, 1 p.m. You guys help us, support us. This is we basically funded and supported ourselves. So help us get the word out and help create a tight-knit group of business owners. If you want your business featured on there, I believe it's not that much, maybe $50 or $35 or something like that to have your business featured and talk. Go ahead and get into contact with Miss Eartha Harris. Yeah, we got some exciting things coming up, you guys. I'm happy. Have a great Friday. Remember, you can control it. You're worthy. You're worthy to be in it. You're worthy to handle it. And you're worthy enough to say, this is who I am, out loud. Some of us won't even say, this is who I am, out loud.